Welcome back to another vlog. So we're gonna go look at another apartment. I'm with my sister, and then after that we're gonna run some errands. Kailangan ko magpasaya ko sa handouts for this weekend's makeup workshop. I have my bottle of water. Second bottle ko na today.
Wow. 6 cups.
Oo nga eh. I woke up at 8 and then I ate breakfast and then I fell asleep kasi antok ako. So I woke up at 3 PM. So clerks. We are opening an affordable makeup workshop. So I'm gonna post all the details tonight. So if you're watching this on kailan ba? Hindi ko sure kasi iba yung schedule ng vlogs ko today. Pero yun. Basta I'll have the link in the information box if ever you wanna join. It's gonna be super exciting. The brushes came in today. I'm so excited about that. Sobrang cute nila. As in super may pouch na maliit. So excited. I won't be able to go out tomorrow kasi it's gonna be Quiapo Day. Madaming processions of the,
Vlog mo.
Yung vlog namin yun. Grabing tao. Kaya there's no way we're gonna be able to go outside the building. Kaya bongga, sa bahay lang tayo, girl. Okay, so I had a crazy dream earlier. I'm not sure kung kagabi yan or kanina. Basta alam ko nagising ako kasi nakabangga ako ng car sa harap. I bumped into the car in front of me. Tapos yung pagkabangga delete ako agad. Kasi nag-blink yung mata ko. Oh my god, bakit nabangga ako? So weird. Wala lang, that was so weird. As in, bag, diba? Ganon, parang teleserye, girl. Wearing my fluffy slippers. Yan sabi kong CR sa. Nire-repaint na. Oh my god, bakit blue? Huge shoes! Dalawang paa na naputol. Let's go. We're now here at SM Manila. Done with the apartment viewing. I'm gonna get some handouts photocopied and then we're gonna hit the supermarket because tomorrow we don't have access to the outside world. Kaya kailangan namin mag-buy ng food. Done with the photocopy. Here, sa copy tray. Sayang kasi sa ink sa bahay yung printer ko. Maubos lang yung ink. Okay, so we bought bangus. And then we're gonna try out these bangus rolls. Same branch, so I think super sarap siya. The same as yung kinain niyo sa Pancake House. And then we have some chips, random. Craving for bibingka again. So we're here with ate. Si ate, mabait si ate. Siya lagi nag-ano sa akin. I would para ako pero we have some at home. Kaya sa bahay lang ako Anyway, yun, exciting time pa rin ako for the apartments kasi kahit yung isa daw maliit, yung isa malaki, so isipin mo pa. We'll see. Perhaps the Feb or late January, we'll see. Since I still have the sniffles, I'm gonna try out the Island Squeeze Calamansi Juice. 100% siya, no? Philippine made. Thank you. Hand squeeze. Naku, malinis kaya ang kamay nila nang gumawa sila nito. All natural. Okay, sige. Let's try. So, we got some polvoron and crinkles from Goldilocks. So, Goldilocks is another bake shop. Bakery bake shop here in the Philippines. Super yummy. Pastries. Polvoron. Now we're gonna go home. It's been a good day. Actually, half day pa lang. So I'm gonna work all night. Tonight, tayo lalabas. My sister and I just tried out the calamansi. Oh, it's good. It's good. Kaya gusto ko calamansi kasi if you have a cold or you're feeling sick. If you're feeling sick, inom ka lang nun, girl. Magiging okay ka na. And I want to stay away from coffee as much as possible. Kasi, bakit? Hindi siya feel good drink. Ewan ko pag may sakit, parang lalo ka lang magkakasakit. Hindi ko lang. Feel ko lang. I'm not sure if this was a long vlog. We'll see. Hindi nga ata ako naka-vlog sa apartment eh. Haha. Well, whatever. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Bye-bye. Bye sa... We're gonna eat bangus for dinner.